For Metro, there's currently 4 trains that operate for Metro, so let's see which one is the best and which one is the worst. So let's start out with the Class 717. The Class 717 is actually the fastest train on the Metro line and is great for operating long routes like Stepford Victoria or Stepford Central to Port Benton. And it's the longest not double train in Metro currently in service. So next on the list we have the slowest train in Metro service, which is the Class 555. It's also the longest train, which in a single carriages variant is 5, but if you have the longer train game pass, you can have it up to 10. So it's a pretty good train. The only big problem with it is its speed. It's best for operating in the core line of Metro because also the speed limit's there. Next on the second fastest train, which is the Class 777. So it comes with 2 variants. So the first variant is the 4 carriages, the basic. You don't need any game passes for it. But the longer train game passes adds you up to 8 carriages. And this is my personal favorite because not like the Class 555, this train actually has a high speed limit of 75 miles per hour, which is good for like regional lines like Stepford Central, Barton, and others. So this is my personal favorite. And last on our list, the Class 756 or 756, as you might know. It is not a taken away version from Airlink because on the Airlink it's the Class 755 and on Metro it's Class 756. So it has 2 variants, which is the free carriages 756/free or 4 carriages, as you might know and you'll get, it's 756/4, which is a great train. It has a pretty high speed limit of 75 as well as many others, so it's a pretty good train.
Metro service to Port Benton.
So you might ask me, who's the winner now? Well, you might be shocked by the answer, which is the Class 717 for its statistics. If you think I'm wrong, just comment down below. I'm not afraid. And please comment down below if you think this video is good. Please like and subscribe and hope you have a great time. Peace.